Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we present a tutorial on how to draw a cute octopus. So, prepare your drawing and coloring equipment. Hang in there because we're here to help you. You can pause this video if it feels too fast. Alright, let's start drawing the octopus. Start by making a semicircle for the head. Then draw 8 tentacles extending from the bottom of the head. You can make them curved or wavy to create a realistic effect. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to this channel for more adorable tutorials like this, and drop a comment below to let me know what you think or suggest what I should draw next. Let's spread some creativity and fun together. Then draw a large cute eyes and eyebrow. Below the eyes, add a simple mouth for the octopus, which can be a curved line. Once the basic drawing is done, you can add color to your octopus. In this section, I will speed up the coloring process. Octopuses generally have bright colors and interesting patterns. Add details such as shading or highlights to give depth to your drawing. After you have finished coloring, you can thicken the outline of the image with a thick black marker. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. Behold the final drawing of cute octopus. To wrap things up, let's recap the steps we took to draw cute octopus. Remember, drawing should be fun and creative, so don't be afraid to add your personal touch to make it truly yours. Now, it's your turn. We encourage you to try drawing cute octopus yourself. Share your artwork in the comments below or explore more pose tutorials for inspiration. Get creative and have fun with your drawings.